Wel, yn y siambr na y tu ôl I fi, mi oedd na ddatganiad gan y Llywodraeth heddiw ar strategaeth trafnidiaeth. Dim byd diddorol iawn yna mewn difri, ond mi oedd yn gyfle I fi ofyn chydig o gwestiynau am Ynys Môn. Following this afternoon's transport strategy statement from government, I had an opportunity to ask a question about transport on Anglesey, specifically about rail and the line from the main line through Llangefni and hopefully on to Amlwch. Anyway, listen to that question and the, well, let's say, promising response, and interesting one that I got from government. Iawn, Llywydd, I'm certainly looking forward to seeing a Wales-wide transformative strategy for transport that will not only revolutionise how we move around our country, but changes attitudes towards how we want to move around our country. But I think we all have also in our constituencies particular elements of transport planning that we might want to focus on today. I see in your statement, or I heard in your statement, you said that sustainability will be a key driver in moves towards opening new railway stations. I was pleased when you announced recently that Llangefni was on a list of stations that could be reopened. Somewhat surprised because it's not just about reopening stations. There's no railway line open to Llangefni, so that would have to be addressed first of all. And can I ask for an assurance that that is still in the pipeline? And can I urge you to move expediently towards what I hope will be a positive outcome on the possibility of opening the line to Llangefni, opening Llangefni station, but also and crucially beyond Llangefni and on to Amlwch, because opening a line to Amlwch really would be transformational for a town that has struggled of late. And we have a unique opportunity here in that we have a line there already and in very, very good condition that just needs a bit of upgrading and support from Welsh Government. So I look forward for a positive response on that. And a reason why I ask for an expedient process is that whilst you presumably are looking at this as a positive way forward, delays could inadvertently lead to holding back progress on work that has already been done on opening, say, a heritage line from Llangefni to Amlwch, because it's good uncertainty in a way, because now we have the prospect of a government-backed scheme to open the line, but it is uncertainty nonetheless, and it's uncertainty that I would certainly like to see being resolved as soon as possible.
Can I thank the member for his comments generally about how we need to change attitudes and behaviours about how people move around Wales. And I think in terms of changing attitudes about how we move around Wales, we need to ensure that the quality of rail services improves so that people's attitudes towards rail services shifts. And we also need to ensure that people's attitudes to active travel change by making sure that it's safer to use bikes and to walk from A to B. The member has been passionate about reopening the station at Llangefni and indeed the line to Amlwch, and it's something that I am supportive of also. We're trying to put stations in Wales in pole position of attracting UK government investment, but with regard to this specific example, I'd be happy to meet with the member to discuss progress that is being made, because I think it has massive potential in the short term, perhaps as a heritage line, but in the longer term as a whole-scale passenger line. And I think there is also exciting potential in improving links between the main line and Anglesey Airport.